Action!
And now, the pilgrimage intention. The Department of the Interior and Local Government fulfilling the book, Rizal and the Katipunan Pilgrimage for Sacred Prophetic Qualities in the Philippines for the world. This is my book. Why is it? Actually, this was launched in the various Philippine embassies 2002. And why am I emboldened to proclaim that this year the Department of the Interior and Local Government will fulfill this? Because the newly appointed Secretary of the Department of the Interior and Local Government, John B. Remulla, is the governor. And we all know that the Philippine Republic, led by President Emilio Aguinaldo, is in Cavite, celebrated in Cavite. And I'm honored and blessed to proclaim before you, my compatriots in the Philippines and all over the world, that the newly appointed Secretary John B. Remulla lighted the Katipunan eternal flame in Maragondon when I requested him to do it as Vice Governor. And above all, with him at the helm of the leadership of the Department of the Interior and Local Government, the triumvirate of these three will be fulfilled: the sacred prophetic unity, Dr. Jose Rizal as the father of the nation, Supremo Andres Revolution, Supremo Andres Bonifacio as the father of the Philippine Revolution, and President Emilio Aguinaldo of the Philippine Republic. And take note, ladies and gentlemen, my compatriots, Supremo Andres Bonifacio, who made the pilgrimage covenant here in the Katipunan Covenant Cave, is the first Secretary of the Department of the Interior and Local Government. And so, these two representing the Department of the Interior and Local Government Police Staff Sergeant Michael D. Manipur and Police Staff Sergeant Alberto D. Umali. Our dear Secretary John B. Remulla, I thank you for this police representative representing the Department of the Interior and Local Government. And now the light. Sige, taas natin yung latino. Sige tayo. Rehabilitate tayo. Long live the Department of the Interior and Local Government, now headed by Secretary John B. Remulla. And with this, I pray and hope that he will receive the Rizal painting I inherited by my late grandfather, Dr. Guillermo Lucia, now in the care of the Department of Health Secretary Teodoro J. Herbosa. Amen. Dali na to. Wala immortalize na kayo. Sunod. Election naman. Kung gusto na election.